This is a product review of Kikkoman Panko Bread Crumb. As a chef, I love Kikkoman Panko Bread Crumb because it is high quality, it doesn't disintegrate when you add liquid to it, it just holds its texture. I have been using it for years and it's just a trusted product. Panko bread crumb is a thicker breadcrumb that you would purchase instead of maybe a fine Italian breadcrumb. It holds its shape and it doesn't soak up the liquid so quickly, so you're able to have some texture in your food. I discovered Kikkoman Panko when I was in culinary school and we had to learn how to tempura something. My task was to tempura fish. I didn't know what that meant, but I tried. And I failed, but I realized that what was so good about this is that it didn't burn. I buy this brand because it is always consistent, and that is very important to people like me who work in kitchens that needs things to stay consistent. This is a great option for you to use if you are breading anything.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.